Children, any doubt in this two lines here? I hope you understood these two lines very clearly. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. Shall we move to the next line? When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. See here, everybody is sitting and learning for their exams or whatever it is. They are sitting and learning very silently. But what the rebel is doing? Rebel is fighting with their friend, with his friend. He is disturbing. If somebody is fighting in class, do you think you will listen to the lesson? Everybody will look at you both, right? So the full class will get distracted and the whole class silence will go off. Everybody gets out of their lesson. So that is what a rebel will do. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Now you have a clear idea of what a rebel is? Yes, dear? Good. Shall we move to the next? When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Good. So when we are coming to school, we will be in uniform, including the teachers in some schools, right? So when everybody was in uniform, what the rebel will do? The rebel dresses in a fantastic cloth. Here, coat suit, very fashioned way, and the school bag. He was coming in a stylish manner, right? And when everybody wears fantastic clothes, for example, for annual day function, everybody is wearing a beautiful cloth. Maybe Krishna Jayanti celebration or whatever celebration it is, everybody is wearing a fantastic cloth. The rebel wears soberly. The rebel dresses soberly. Soberly, can you able to understand by seeing the picture? Yes? Can you able to see the picture here? The rebel dress, how it is? Soberly. What is the meaning of soberly, dear? So just underline this word and take a dictionary, find the meaning of soberly. By seeing the picture itself, you can assume the meaning. What it is here, you just share with me during live session, right? In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. See here, everybody is having a dog. Company of a dog lover, dog as a pet. Here, one person also, one more person also. But only one, the rebel, expresses a preference for a cat. Okay, so everybody is loving dog and he prefers cat. So the thing author tries to say is he will be different from others, in short, right? That is what is the meaning. In the company of cat lovers, and everybody likes to be with cat, then the rebel puts in a good word for dog. Then he will talk about dog is the best, right? Everybody was with dogs, then he prefers cat. When everybody prefers cat, that time he used to prefer dog. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dog, right? So that is what is the first page of the poem. This is the second page from the poem. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes, please, the rebel says no, thank you. Everybody says no, thank you. The rebel says yes, please. It's very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So let us see two lines about this. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. See here, everybody here are trying to praise the sun. Of course, we all know sun is a what? The power, universal power. And without sunlight, we cannot get food. It's all the uses of sun. Everybody knows. Everybody will praise the sun god. They'll morning they'll do Surya Namaskaram. Everything is based on sun. But what the rebel will do? The rebel remarks on the needs of it. Remark here. Notice that word remark. Remark here says the importance of the rain, the need for the rain. Sun alone is there, no rain at all. What will happen? Definitely no rain. Right? All these the rebel will say. When everybody is praising the sun, he will praise the rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Regrets here what? Sadness. He expresses his sadness about the absence of sun. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Everybody is enjoying the rain. They are dancing in the rain. They are, even the farmers, he is very happy with the rain. Right? But a rebel regrets that. Oh God, now the sun is not there. All that sad feeling will be there for rebel. Clear, children? When everybody goes to the meeting, everybody is there attending the meeting. Actually, one space has to be allotted for this person also. But because of his absence, we replaced somebody. The rebel, what happens to the rebel? He stays at home and reads a book very comfortably. He is sitting and reading book. But actually, he is in a position to attend the meeting. But he is not attending meeting. He is reading a book. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. Do you think, children, is it good when a meeting is conducted that the purpose of the meeting is to discuss about some problem? So for that, everybody has to be there, isn't it? But here, the rebel is not attending and he is staying at home and reading. Is it good? Think, right? When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. What is the use of attending meeting as a single person? Think about all these. Everybody is reading, preparing themselves, okay, for something, maybe exam, maybe some important seminar class, whatever it is. But what happened to the rebel? He goes to the meeting. Without nobody, he is going to attend the meeting. Good. So all these points have to be considered by you. Finally, in the summary, you have to think about all these, right? When everybody says, yes, please, the rebel says, no, thank you. Everybody says, yes, please. The rebel says, no, thank you. Suppose a birthday party. Your friend is coming affectionately and giving a black forest cake. Everybody will say, you wish to have a black forest cake? Yes, please. Immediately, very pleasantly, very happily they will take that cake. Right? But a rebel will say, no, thank you. Now everybody says, no, thank you. No, I don't want. The rebel says, yes, please. Everybody rejected something. He is approving. That is the concept. You have to understand this. Everybody is rejecting and he is approving. It is very good that we have rebels. Yes. If hero is there, villain has to be there. Right? You may find it very good to be one. You may not find it very good. Do you think it is good to have rebels? Good. If you are a rebel, do you think you are good? It's a question mark, really. Right? So that is the end of the rebel poem. I hope it will be clear for you by DJ Enright. We'll see the summary of the poem, dear. The rebel describes a character, actually the rebel's character, okay? A person who does not conform to the norms of the society. He will not obey the society. The rebel is described as a person who would contradict others in order to be different. In order to be different, he used to contradict others. The character of the rebel in the poem is not based on the political activities, but seems to be a character sketch of a young adolescent trying to be different. All the instances in the poem are repetitive affirmations of this fact. In the sense, he wants to be different. In the name of being different, he is opposing everything, right? If a rebel sees a group of people with short hair, he would let his hair grow long. On seeing others with long hair, the rebel would cut his hair. Seeing everybody talk during the lesson, the rebel would become absolutely silent, mute. On realizing that everybody is silent, the rebel would create a disturbance. Similarly, on various such issues, the rebel would be seen contradicting others and doing things that no one would be doing. He would refuse to wear uniform and others would be wearing it. Praise the dogs when the company of cat lovers. Appreciate the sun on rainy days and rains on the sunny days. He would do just anything but not what others are doing. Right? So now it's time for your classwork, dear. Take your classwork. Page number 34, working with the poem. Now the first question, if someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? And the second question is, when everyone wants a clear sky, what does a rebel want most? If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? Why is it good to have rebels? Why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why? Okay. So first question, the teacher will ask him or her about the reason for not being in uniform. Then he or she takes action according to the reply. If it is a genuine reason, we will leave off, right? When everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants rain. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, then everyone else is likely to have a cat. It is good to have rebels because very few people have the power to oppose the decision of the majority. They think differently and fearlessly stand for their choices, which can be beneficial. Sometimes this happens, right? It is not good to be rebel oneself because no one will like you, keeps you apart from the people and they'll be like enemy for you. I would not like to be a rebel because I don't have the guts to oppose the majority and moreover, I can't hurt the feelings of people. I don't want to be a source of bitterness among the people. I have to be in capital. Here it is small letter. Please change it. Second, antonyms, long, short, grow, cut, quietness, disturbance, sober, fantastic, lost, find. So the third, rebel refuses to cut his rebel lets his hair grow long. He says cat or better. The rebel expresses a preference for cats. Children, if the time is over, please see this and write this in your classwork, dear. Thank you, dear children.